Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn linear inequalities together, step by step. Inequalities compare quantities rather than equate them. We'll solve linear inequalities, learn the one rule that trips everyone up, and picture the solutions on a number line. You can add or subtract anything from both sides and multiply or divide by a positive number, but the golden rule: if you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality sign flips. Solve 2x plus 3 is less than 11. Subtract 3 to get 2x less than 8, then divide by positive 2, x is less than 4. For minus 3x greater than or equal to 9, divide by minus 3, and because it's negative, flip the sign, so x is less than or equal to minus 3. On a number line, use an open circle for strict inequalities and a filled circle when equality is allowed, then shade the direction of all solutions. A linear inequality in two variables describes a half-plane. Draw the boundary line, then test a point to decide which side to shade. To recap, solve inequalities much like equations, but flip the sign when multiplying or dividing by a negative. Use open or closed circles on the number line, and in two variables, you shade a half-plane. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.